What is that? Is that just box or is that wood? What the fuck? Hello? Yo, it's SpongeBob! They killed my boy! I gotta hurry before a car comes. Nah! I mean, I don't really know where else to put you. I don't see a trash can nowhere. So, oopsies. That's so funny. I wasn't expecting to see SpongeBob out here. Poor guy. Mr. Krabs worked his ass too hard, bruh. We'll go after this truck. See, he would have had to move out the way, because you can't tell the density of that off-rip.